Level 1 or level 2, which do I need? The honest answer is the work tells you, not the other way around. Here's the simple version. If your shop handles federal contract information, FCI, that points to level 1, a basic foundational set of protections you assess yourself. If your shop handles controlled unclassified information, CUI, that points to level 2, a higher bar with a formal assessment. The principle underneath both is the one we keep coming back to. The requirement follows the work. You don't pick a level off a menu. You look at what information actually comes into your shop, and the level follows from that. And you don't need to memorize all of this on day one. You need to know which kind of information you touch, and that's a question you can answer with the people who run the work. So start with what information the work brings into your shop. The level follows that.